Hey, what's up? I'm here to tell you one important message. The reason why so few people are renting out your space, even though it is in great location, has great price, and everything is just great. The reason why people are not renting your place is because you don't have one of these. Thing is, people have long hair. These people want to wash their hair and then they want to dry it. And if you don't have a blow dryer, a hair dryer, then they will not pick you, because on Airbnb you can filter that stuff, you can scroll down, you can go to amenities and click hair dryer. And then if you don't have a hair dryer, you don't even appear on their radar. So make sure you have a hair dryer. Just a cheap one. Make sure you have a hairdryer, because nobody wants to carry their own hairdryer. Nobody wants to carry their own hairdryer. Get a hairdryer, okay? And people will start coming. That is all. Have fun renting out your space. Good luck.